Hey there crypto fans, welcome to Crypto What Is. In today's news we're talking about Dogecoin. If you've been keeping an eye on the markets, you'll know that Doge has dropped by 2.5% in the past 24 hours. But don't let that discourage you just yet. While the meme token is down by 19% in the last 30 days, it's still up by a modest 2.5% since the start of the year, and with a 24-hour trading volume peaking above $500 million today. We're seeing an increase in liquidity that could potentially make more gains likely in the immediate future. So, what's in store for Doge holders? Well, the indicators are looking pretty good for a big rebound rally in the not-too-distant future. Both the Relative Strength Index and the 30-day moving average are at undervalued levels, which means that an upwards correction could arrive soon. There's a key resistance level for Doge right now at 7 cents, but if that can be broken, we could see some serious gains. And while some large holders have been moving the coin to exchanges, others are buying it at a discount, potentially taking advantage of the current undervaluation. Now, we can't talk about Dogecoin without mentioning its Twitter integration hopes. We know that Doge holders are still hoping for some kind of Twitter payments integration later in the year. And if that happens, the token could end up rising massively in the coming months. Elon Musk has dropped numerous hints that Dogecoin will somehow be added to the social network. Incredible reports from January reveal that Twitter has been accelerating its plans to introduce digital payments on its platform. If Doge is included, it could easily rise back up to its current all-time high of 73 cents, set back in May 2021. Of course, Doge doesn't have much else going for it right now, which is why it hasn't pumped as much as other major tokens during the market-wide rallies of the past week. But if Twitter adopts it, users will likely flock to it, giving it the momentum it needs to reach new heights. If you're a trader looking for gains in the shorter term, you could consider exploring other coins as well. The crypto space is always evolving, and there are several newer altcoins and pre-sale tokens that currently have big potential. That's all for now. Keep an eye on Dogecoin and stay tuned for more updates. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for updates on the latest trends and strategies in the world of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.